Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is a condiment, hot and sweet sambal. Really tasty, really easy to make. As normal, the full list of ingredients are on screen now or in the description box below. I could waffle on about add this and then add that, then chop this and then chop that. But basically, all the ingredients put in a blender, blend into a paste. How hard can that be? Those of you who've seen some of my videos before know my wife doesn't like chilies and I love them. So this is my get out of jail free card. Like if we make something my wife doesn't want chilies in, and I do, we make it without the chilies and then I add a good spoonful of this sambal or sriracha sauce in, and the chili police can please themselves. And the chili police in my house comes with a tongue so sharp it can cut glass. Anyway, when it's all blended, you should have something that looks like this. Then simply put in a suitably sized saucepan and bring over a medium heat and cook off for 10 minutes. You're just cooking the rawness of the garlic and ginger. Then check the seasoning and just as necessary. And this is where I had the chili police inspect my work. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a go sometime. Hopefully we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.